Have you ever tried making an AI Ghibli video, but it ended up looking like a normal anime video instead? I know how that feels. Can be disappointing. Before we begin, watch the final video. I made it using only one free AI tool. I didn't use any editing skills or any paid AI tools. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. You will learn how to find a video idea, write a story with AI, create AI images, add sound effects and music, turn everything into a complete video. Now, let's start creating our AI Ghibli video together. First, we need to create the complete video plan. This includes the story, the characters, and the image prompts for every scene. It might sound difficult, but don't worry. I've made it simple for you. I'll leave all the prompts in the description below. Just copy and paste them. First, open ChatGPT. Then, copy the first prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt box. Now, enter your story idea here. For this example, I'm choosing home cooks. You can choose any story idea you like. You can also add the names of your main characters to make the story more personal and consistent. Here, you can also choose how long you want your story to be. For this example, I'm choosing 2 to 3 minutes. Once everything looks good, click Generate. ChatGPT will ask how many story ideas you want to generate. Enter any number you like. For this example, I'll generate 10 story ideas. As you can see, ChatGPT has started generating the story ideas along with the main characters for each one. Take a look at the ideas and choose the one you like the most. I'm going to choose the first story idea. You can pick any story idea you like and continue with the next step. For the next step, copy the second prompt from the description box. Then, go back to ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Now, paste the story idea here that you chose from the list of story concepts. Click Generate, and ChatGPT will start creating your complete story based on the story idea you selected. Now it's time to create the character visuals. Copy the third prompt from the description, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. And ChatGPT will create detailed character descriptions and image prompts for your story. Now, copy the fourth prompt from the description. Paste it into ChatGPT to generate the image prompts for your video scenes. ChatGPT will ask how many image prompts you want to generate. For this example, I'm choosing 20 prompts. That's enough to create a smooth and engaging video. Now that your image prompts are ready, it's time to create the images and turn them into videos. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Flow. It lets us generate high-quality images and animate them into videos in one place. Go to Google Flow AI. You can find the link in the description box below. We'll create the character images first. In the prompt box, select the image option and choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'm using 16:9 because it's perfect for YouTube videos. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first character image prompt. Then, return to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. Finally, click Generate to create your first character image. Download it and save it to your device. Now, we'll create the second character the same way. If a scene needs both characters, select or upload both of the character images in Google Flow. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for that scene and paste it into the prompt box. Finally, click Generate to create the image with both characters together. Follow the same steps to create the rest of your scene images. Use the matching image prompt from ChatGPT for each scene, then generate. Now it's time to turn your generated images into videos. Select the image you want to turn into a video, or upload the image from your device. Then, click Add to Prompt and choose the VO3 model. Now copy the matching image prompt for that scene. Paste it into Google Flow, then click Generate. Google Flow will use the image and the prompt to create your video clip. Once the video is ready, download it and rename the file Part 1. We'll combine all the parts together later to make the final video. If you need to adjust the characters, go back to the image section. Select the scene image and the character images you want to use, then click Add to Prompt. I'll add both character images to the prompt. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for this scene. Paste it into Google Flow, then click Generate to create the scene with both characters. To turn the image into a video, select the video option and upload the image you just created. Then, copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Finally, click Generate to create your video clip. Now that all of your video clips are ready, it's time to combine them and create the final video. For this step, I'll use CapCut because it's free and easy to use. You can use any video editor you like. Open CapCut and create a new project. Then import all of the video clips you created. Arrange the clips in the correct order to match your story. Now, click on the Transitions option and add transitions between your clips. This will make your video look smoother and more engaging. Choose any transition style you like, but keep it simple for the best results. If you want to make the audio louder or quieter, click on the audio section. Then, adjust the volume by increasing or lowering it. You can also add sound effects by importing audio files into your project. Once everything is ready, click Export. Choose HD quality, then export your final video and save it to your device.